Everything you are seeing right now was created entirely by AI. No designer, no freelancer, no experience needed. And people are getting paid for this every single day in 2026. I'm going to show you the exact 5 tools making that possible, and more importantly, how you can start using them to make real money, even if you've never touched AI before. Stay until the end because tool number 5 is one most people completely overlook. Welcome to Minted with AI. This channel is dedicated to one thing only, showing you how to use AI tools to create things and get paid for them. No theory, no fluff, just practical steps you can follow today. If that sounds useful to you, make sure you subscribe because we drop new videos every week. Now let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Microsoft Designer. And the best part, it's completely free with any Microsoft account, meaning that you must have a Microsoft account to use this AI tool. This tool generates professional images. Watch this. I'm going to paste a prompt generated from ChatGPT, and let's just give it a few seconds. And it's feeling like a cold dog winning, the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. You just look at it. It's plain professional graphic. Let's go to tool number 2, which is Google Flow, Google's AI video generating tool. This one turns text or images into actual video clips. Now, I want to be honest with you here. It's free, but with daily limits. You get a starting batch of credits plus free credits every single day, so you won't be generating unlimited videos, but you get more than enough to start creating content, test ideas, and build a portfolio without spending anything. So we're going to do something now. Let's just do something with this image that I created from using Microsoft Designer earlier. I'm going to. So she asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dog winning the sun. I'm just going to tweak the prompt. I'm just going to add some few things, and then I'm going to just make sure that it comes out exactly how I want it to. So I needed to be very specific about the prompt and the hand that is going to light the candle, because I have to show a hand lighting the candle. So I'm just going to type an African, a woman's hand lighting the candle. Yes, female. And lighting, gently lights the candle. So I'm just going to ensure that it's, because I'm trying to manage the points that I'm going to use, the credits. So I don't have much credit again. I've already produced some things earlier. So, and I decided to just make just one video and not two, just one. Until then, I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. So this is it. Look at that, a video clip with zero filming, zero equipment. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs, and this is what makes faceless content creation fully possible. ElevenLabs generates human-sounding AI voices from any text you type. But first of all, I will
we're going to create an account. We're going to sign in to have access, and this is the interface. What would you like to create? Try dubbing. You can actually use your voice, and then although you have to like subscribe if you are going to use your voice to run the voiceover. Like if you want to dub your voice, you have to pay. So you are going to use your voice to record, and then it's just going to tweak your voice, dub it, and make it sound like. So this is me just trying to say something into the microphone so that it could generate it for me. So, but I have to pay. I have to pay to do that. So I just had to cancel it. So
did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. You never changed, just wait for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees.
save voice. You see, you have to pay if you are going to clone your voice. Yes, that's the right term. If you are going to clone your voice. So, but I had to cancel it. I just had to use AI. AI voice is completely free. So if you want to clone your voice, you can just go ahead and pay. But if you want it completely free, then you have to use the AI voice provided. And there are different voice textures that you can make use of. Different voice design. So just paste in your prompt, your voiceover prompt, your voiceover in text, and then you just hit generate voice. So this is just like a template that is already there. So let's just see what it sounds like.
In a world on the brink of chaos, one hero will rise. Prepare yourself for a story of epic proportions, coming soon to the big screen.
See, that was AI, not human. You can use this for YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, explainer videos, and podcast intros. This single tool can save you hundreds of dollars a month compared to hiring a voice actor. I'm sure you've come across some videos online narrating a story, and then there's this voice just narrating. Yes, that's AI. Yes. So we're moving on to tool number 4. Tool number 4 is leonardo.ai. This is one of the most generous free AI image tools available right now. Like, you get daily free credits just for signing up, and then you can create about anything with this particular AI. You can create anything, but first of all, you also have to sign in. You have to just tick something and just get started. And there you have it, the interface. Do some things with Leonardo right now. You see how different each of this looks. Same tool, different settings. People use Leonardo for book illustrations, game assets, concept art, and print-on-demand designs because it is free and powerful. It's quickly becoming a favorite among beginners who don't want to spend money before they've made any. Like, this is literally a game changer. You can do anything with this AI. You can create any kind of image, and we're going to create some right now. Just go through them. So this is a prompt that I copied from ChatGPT. It's just something just to test out this AI. See something about history, and I'm just going to give it a few more seconds. I have to fast forward this. So this is what we have. It's just like history about Africa. So there is a name to call this kind of image, and then let's just try something else. So I'm pasting another prompt from ChatGPT, and let's see how it comes out.
She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted.
We are going to enter it. So I'm just saving the image first so that I can use it to generate the next prompt for the video. I'm using that same image and I'm pasting the prompt from ChatGPT to create the image. So the image is going to take longer than the video takes longer than the image. So you just have to give it a few seconds, or let's say 2 minutes at most. So there you go. There you have it.
She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart.
And of course it has audio. I just had to mute it. It has audio.
The trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah.
Let's move to tool number 5. People don't really know about ideogram. And this tool does something most AI image generators struggle with. It actually renders readable text inside images correctly. Logos, posters, social media graphics with texts. Ideogram nails it, and it's free to use. Like, I cannot count the the number of graphics that I've created with this AI tool. Like, and then it gives you 4 options. Let's just make something.
It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted.
Look at that. Clean readable text generated directly inside the image. That is a huge deal for creating logos, code graphics, and branded content. Most beginners don't know this tool. 5 tools, completely free to start, and 3 ways to actually make them turn into income. Number 1, selling digital products. Use Microsoft Designer, Leonardo, or Ideogram to create graphics, book covers, or print-on-demand designs. List them on Etsy or Amazon Pay-to-Pay. Number 2, you offer services. You go on Fiverr or Upwork and offer AI-assisted design or voiceover services using these exact tools. Number 3 is you create content. Exactly what this channel does. Teach people how to use these tools, grow your audience, and earn through ad revenue and sponsorships down the line. Those are your 5 tools. We have Microsoft Designer, we have Google Flow AI, we have ElevenLabs, we have Leonardo AI, and we have Ideogram. Pick one, learn it this week, and start creating. The people making money with AI aren't smarter than you. They just started earlier. If you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to Minted with AI, because next week I'm doing a full step-by-step on how to create and sell an AI children's book from scratch. 0 design experience needed. All the tools, all the tool links and affiliate details are in the description below. See you in the next one.
She asked me if I had